Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate video in Premiere. First, open your Premiere or launch your Premiere Pro, then go to File and then import, or you can drag your video into the project panel. The second step is you have to drag your clip from the project panel onto the timeline. The third step is click on the clip in the timeline to select it. The fourth step is go to the Effect Control panel. And fifth step is in Effect Control, under Motion, find Rotation. Enter the rotation angle you want, or you can drag the dial. The sixth step is if you want to flip the video horizontally or vertically, here's what to do. Still in the Effect Control, click the small arrow next to Motion to expand it if need. Locate the scale width. If you don't see it, just click FX icon next to scale to enable it. To flip horizontally, set scale width to -100, and to flip vertically, set scale height to -100. And the seventh step is if the video shift or crop after rotation or flip, just adjust the position and scale value to fit your frame properly. And the eighth step is when you're happy with your video editing, go to File and go to Export and Media, then export your rotate and flip video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.